a world where strategy meets fate, where the roll of a die can mean the difference between glory and defeat, one game dares to combine the thrill of tabletop tactics with the power of legendary monsters. Welcome to Dice Tech Dominion. Dice Tech Dominion is a strategic 3D browser game where you build a dungeon, summon creatures, and crush your opponent's dungeon master, all through the roll of the dice. No decks to memorize, no cards to collect, just pure dice-fueled monster combat. Each match is different, every roll matters, and the deeper you push into the dungeon, the more dangerous it gets. The battlefield is a 13 by 19 dungeon grid. Each player starts with a dungeon master, your most precious piece. If your DM is destroyed, the game is over. When you place a die on the board, it creates a dungeon path tile. Your monsters can only move through connected tiles, so every die you place doesn't just summon creatures, it builds your dungeon. Plan your path, guard your master, and cut off your enemies. At the start of each turn, you roll a pool of dice. These aren't ordinary dice. Each face shows one of 5 symbols. Summon crest, used to call monsters into battle. Attack crests to attack monsters. Movement crest to advance your creatures across the board. Defend crest to stop attacks from monsters. Magic crest to activate powerful special abilities. Trap crest place hazards to stop your opponent cold. Monster dice come in 4 levels, level 1 through level 4. Higher level monsters are rarer, harder to summon, but devastatingly powerful. To summon a monster, you need 2 or more summon crests across your 3 rolled dice, and those crests must match the monster's level requirement. The higher the level, the fewer summon faces on the die, meaning risk is always part of the equation. There are 5 monster types: warriors, beasts, spellcasters, zombies, and dragons. And the type advantage system keeps every matchup strategic. Fighting with a type advantage grants a +110 bonus to your attack and defense, which can completely flip a battle. When 2 monsters meet in combat, it's straightforward. Compare attack versus defense. If your ATK beats their def, their monster is destroyed and sent back to the pool. If not, yours falls. But here's the twist. The defending player gets a choice: counter with their own monster, or play it safe and defend. Reading your opponent's intentions is just as important as rolling the right dice. Not every monster fights the same way. 8 of the game's 20 monster types carry unique abilities that can turn the tide of battle. Use magic crests to activate these abilities at just the right moment. A well-timed ability doesn't just win a fight, it wins the whole game. Dice Tech Dominion rewards sharp thinking, bold risks, and a little bit of luck. Every session is a new dungeon. Every roll writes a new story. Build your dungeon. Summon your army. Destroy your opponent's master. This is not just a game of chance. This is a game of monsters.